And world's second largest economy, China, has released its GDP numbers. China's GDP, it was up 2.3% last year, making China the only major economy in the world to avoid a contraction last year, as many nations struggled to contain COVID-19 pandemic. The economy grew at a faster than expected pace in fourth quarter of last year, ending a rough coronavirus-stricken 2020 in remarkably good shape. It remained solidly poised to expand further this year now. The GDP overall of the Asian economy expanded 6.5% year-on-year in fourth quarter, highlighting weakness in consumption. Retail sales, meanwhile, fell 3.9% last year, marking first contraction since 1968. Growth in retail sales in December, however, missed analyst forecast and eased to 4.6% from November's 5%, as sales of garments, cosmetics, telecoms and automobiles slowed down. However, China's vast manufacturing sector continued to gain momentum, with industrial output rising at a faster than expected rate of 7.3% last month from last year, hitting higher since March of 2019. However, Chinese consumers, they remained reluctant to spend, as retail sales contracted 3.9% for the year. Meanwhile, retail sales for fourth quarter, they were up 4.6% in China from last year. Analysts expect economic growth to rebound to 8.4% this year before slowing to 5.5% next year. Backed by strict virus containment measures and policy stimulus, economy has recovered steadily from a steep 6.8% slump in first 3 months of 2020, when an outbreak of COVID-19 in central city of Wuhan in China turned into a full-blown epidemic for the world. World's second largest economy, China, has been fueled by a surprisingly resilient export sector, but consumption, which is a key driver of growth, has lagged expectations amid fears of a resurgence of COVID-19 cases. Data, meanwhile, last week showed Chinese exports were up by more than expected in December, as COVID-19 disruptions around the world fueled demand for Chinese goods. Even a stronger yuan made exports more expensive.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.
WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.